Dear students, in last class we studied in three-phase systems what is phase winding, what is line conductor, what is phase impedance for star connected generator, for star connected load, and for delta connected generator and delta connected load. In today's class, we will define various quantities like line voltage, phase voltage, line current, phase current, balance load, etc. For defining line quantities and phase quantities, that is line current, phase current, line voltage and phase voltage, let us consider a star connected generator and delta connected generator. You may also consider star connected load or delta connected load. We know that a conductor that connects generator winding to the load is called as line conductor. So the voltage measured between any two lines is called as line voltage, and line voltage is denoted by VL. If we measure here voltage between R line and Y line, then that line voltage VL is called as VRY. Similarly, voltage measured between Y line and B line is called as VYB. It is also line voltage only, but we have measured voltage between Y line and B line, therefore it is VYB. And if the voltage is measured between R line and B line, then that voltage VL will be called as VRB. Similarly, in case of delta connected system, voltage measured between any two lines is called as line voltage. So we'll call this as VL, and here also we'll call the voltage as VL, and between these two lines also we will call the voltage as VL. So what are line voltages? Line voltages are the voltages that are measured between any two lines of a three-phase system. So now we'll define what is line voltage. It is voltage measured between any two lines of a three-phase system. Three-phase system may be here star connected or delta connected. It is denoted by VL. Now we will define what is phase voltage. Phase voltage is voltage measured between neutral point and a line for star connected system, or it is simply voltage measured across phase winding in case of generator, and it is voltage measured across phase impedance in case of three-phase load system. And in delta connected system also, phase voltage is measured in the same way. That is, for a generator, the voltage measured across any phase winding is called phase voltage. So voltage measured here is VPH, and here also voltage measured is VPH. Across B phase voltage measured is again VPH. Similarly, we can mark here phase voltage VPH, VPH, and VPH. So now we will define phase voltage. It is voltage measured across any phase winding or any phase impedance. It is denoted by VPH. For R phase, winding, phase voltage is VRPH. Similarly, for Y phase and B phase windings, phase voltages are VYPH and VBPH. From the star connected system shown in this figure here, you can understand that line voltage is not equal to phase voltage, because line voltage here is taken across two windings and phase voltage is taken across only one winding. So we can say for star connected system, VL is not equal to VPH. Then VRY is equal to what? VRY is equal to potential of line R with respect to neutral minus potential of line Y with respect to neutral. Since line R is at potential of VRPH with respect to neutral and line Y is at potential of VYPH with respect to neutral, VRY becomes VRPH minus VYPH. What is VRY? VRY is VRPH minus VYPH. Similarly, VRB will be equal to VRPH minus VBPH, and VYB will be equal to VYPH minus VBPH. For a star connected system, VRY equal to VRPH minus VYPH, and this is phasor difference here. VRB is equal to VRPH minus VBPH, and VYB equal to VYPH minus VBPH. But in case of delta connected system, what is the relationship between line voltages and phase voltages? Here I have named first conductor as R line, second conductor as Y line, third conductor as B line. Voltage measured between R line and Y line is line voltage VRY. Voltage measured across phase winding Y is also equal to VRY, because we measure the voltage across Y phase winding between the same points where we measured the line voltage. So it means that in delta connected system, line voltages and phase voltages are equal. Therefore, we can write for a delta connected system, VRY is equal to VYPH. VRB is equal to VRPH, and VYB is equal to VBPH. So in general, we can write for gel. So in general, we can write for delta connected system. Line voltage is equal to phase voltage. It is very important relation which we will be using in solving the problems. Now we will define line current and phase current for star connected system and delta connected system. So here is a line conductor now. Current flowing through the line is called as line current. If current is flowing through R line, then it is IR line. If current is flowing through Y line, then it is IY line. And if current is flowing through B line, then it is IB line. Current flowing through the phase windings are called as phase currents. Current flowing through R phase winding is called as IRPH. Current flowing through Y phase winding is called as VYPH. Current flowing through B phase winding is called as IBPH. Similarly, in delta connected system also, current flowing through R line is IR line, current flowing through Y line is IY line, current flowing through B line is IB line, current flowing through Y phase is IYPH, current flowing through B phase is YBPH, and current flowing through R phase is IRPH. Now from the figure here you can understand that current IRPH and IR line are equal. IYPH and IY line are equal because they are flowing in same conductor here. You can see there is no current division in between. And IBPH is equal to IB line, which means that phase current and line current are equal for a star connected system. For a star connected system, phase current and line current are equal. But in case of delta connected system, it is not like that. If you apply KCL here, IRPH is incoming current, IYPH is outgoing current, and IRPH is also outgoing current, which means that IRPH is equal to IR line plus IYPH, or IR line is equal to IRPH minus IYPH. The sum written here is phasor sum, and the difference written here is also phasor difference. Now write here line current, current flowing through any line of a three-phase system is called as line current. In star connected system, line current and phase current are equal. That is, IPH is equal to IL. For delta connected system, line current and phase current are not equal. That is, IR line is equal to IRPH minus IYPH. IY line is equal to IYPH minus IBPH. And IB line is equal to IBPH minus IRPH. Now we will define what is three-phase balanced system. A balanced three-phase system is one in which all the line voltages phase voltages line currents and phase angles are equal. Dear students, in next class I will be dealing with the derivation of relationships between line quantities and phase quantities for a three-phase balanced delta connected system and star connected system. Now I will stop the class. Thank you.